Ambunu is an old African tradition that is used to naturally cleanse, condition, and detangle the hair. It is 100% natural. The natural African plant has saponin, which gives it the ability to clean your hair. It is also an antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and also an emollient that will leave your hair soft, shiny, and moisturized. I've been using Ambunu since 2020. As the weather changes, so does our hair. I do a lot of protective styling with Chebe powder, and I use the Ambunu to clean my hair, which helps me to retain as much moisture as possible. To make the Ambunu cleanser is very simple. All you do is add the Ambunu leaves to a bowl and mix it with hot water. Allow it to cool before applying to your hair. The amount you use depends on the length and density of your hair. So you can do a 2-to-1 or 3-to-1 ratio. For example, 2 cups of Ambunu, 1 cup of hot water, or 3 cups of Ambunu and 1 cup of hot water. Less water you use, the more slip you will receive and the more easier it will be to apply to your hair. The link for the Ambunu will be in the description box below, so you guys can go ahead and purchase. Once cool, strain your mixture. You can use a stocking cap or a cheesecloth. Those work best. Then apply your mixture to an applicator bottle that you can find at the beauty supply store. This will help for better distribution and less mess. My hair and scalp were a hot mess. As you can see, all those flakes I carved up, my hair was about 3 weeks dirty. You can go ahead and pimp out your Ambunu cleanser. You can add any type of ingredient that you like. You can go ahead and add peppermint oil, lavender, rosemary, even tea tree. I like to add about 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. All you gotta do is section your hair, apply the mixture from roots to ends, finger detangle, and remove the shedded hair. When you're done, go ahead and rinse your hair clean. This is my hair after the Ambunu. And follow up with a deep conditioner. I did a DIY Ayurvedic hair mask. Then I blow dried and then straightened my hair. As always, I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And you already know, I'll see you for the next video. Bye guys.